Hi, today I'll show you how to fix and how to replace old, broken rollers for shower. Over time these shower door wheels rust out the bearings and they don't rotate anymore. Shower doors are harder to close until one day one or more rollers break off. The first task is to remove the shower door. This can be done by releasing the lower rollers and pulling the door out. To do this you need to buy new replacement shower door wheels. You can find them at Home Depot or online shops. Links to them are in the video description. Then unscrew the damaged roller and replace it with the new one, but tighten the screw with feeling. If you do it too hard, the shower door glass may break and you don't want that. Then see if the new roller is the same height as the old one. If not, adjust the height with screw in it. To make them last longer, you can put some oil in the new and old rollers. This will help them not to rust so quickly. Then just put the shower door back in place and check. Cool, the door doesn't fall out anymore. My grandmother is now happy, because the shower door works again. I hope you found this video useful. Have a nice holiday.